Oi, what a sunny day. And it's off to the coast. Eastbourne to be precise. Magnificent Motors. Let's go. Check that out. We got views for days. Yeah. And on the way, I'm starting to feel these transporters, and I mean a lot. Pair of MG Maestros. The white one, I know for sure was on original paint, and it looked factory fresh. Not bad for an 80s motor, I tell ya. Capri Crew. Nice. This one was a barn find, would you believe it or not? Stunning. When I say there was a bit of something for everyone here, I wasn't joking. Inclusive vibes are gone. Look, every single person took pride in their machines, and rightly so. Impeccable attention to detail.
Oh man.
Classic vibes. And the weather was on our side today. With our background settings, you would have thought we was abroad. American machines, very welcome, of course. The Rover V8, those that know, know. Their engines made their way into many vehicles over the years. Gotta love a retro Porsche, or Porsche, I should say. Don't get me started on the transporters again. You know I'm a fanboy. Check out a previous video of a show I went to in the top right corner. New and old, side by side. Retro colours. Hot rodded up. I feel there was a lot more soul in car design of the past. What do you reckon? Let me know in the comments. That ain't it though. Check this out. Decked out. And a tiny cabin. These retro colours are really doing it for me.
Enchanté.
Now this car was my favourite of the show. That's definitely a bit of me. Saucy. Who'd say no to the Mark 1 Escort, eh? I want. Check out this old school Dodge. It's huge though, so you ain't dodging nothing. I saw this little Alpha on the way down. He was driving it as he should. Love to see it. You had all the newer stuff to gander at too. This was a club stand, so plenty of variety. Rarity too. Sporty. The engine bay in this caught my eye. Check it out. I wonder how many hours he spent polishing that. I'm loving the aero on this Jag. It looks the part. Drive it day. Too right. The Jag crew were out in force today and all. And you know what? There was a large air of respect around the whole plot. For me, it was a chance to show love, as well as take inspiration for future projects. Yep. The paintwork on these two had to be seen in the flesh. Flawless metallics. And this caught my eye too. Looks old but modern at the same time. Loving the external intake. Let's just pray it doesn't rain when you're driving it. The Aston stand was looking strong. And And this Vanquish S sporting all the carbon. This V8 is a favourite too. My dad loves these, and I'm sure the fondness passed down to me. There's more though. Like the muscular Virage. That looks like a bully. It's RS 2000 brightened up a blazing day. Fresh. Obviously, you got to get the Italian exotics in there. And this, TVR Cigaris. Fun fact, those wing mirrors are off a VW Corrado. I know that because I own 2 of them. That styling hasn't aged one bit. Honda NSX. Rare Jack Coupe. I was digging the green on this Alpha. There was just something about it. Engine bay tidy too. This little Fiat was cool as well. The little compact engine squeezed in there nicely. Cobra vibes. Again, I'm rating the colour big time. And a Triumph TR250. It looks like a cheeky chappy, doesn't it? Love the shape. It's really strange, but every car suited this colour. And I thought everyone looked just right. This owner loved theirs so much, they got a scale model of it. Lancia Fulvia. Where do I start? Side opening bonnet, massive headlights. I'm a massive fan. Shout out to the little man attracted to the engine. Can't blame him. More American muscle. This one giving me Steve McQueen vibes. Check out my modern take on that on the top right. Cheeky plug. Oh, another Mark 1 Escort. And look, the original receipt for just over 1,200 quid. Now that's a Billy bargain. I wonder if I offer them that now, would they take it? Doubt it. It's a beaut, so it ties in with the other one. This car looks very happy. Check out the grid. Loving the rat look. And this dude had a Lady Artois on the go. I don't blame him, because that's a stellar ride. See what I did there? Stingray. Loads of them out, in full effect. The paint on this one looking particularly sweet. Literally like candy. Vin Diesel vibes, but I don't think this one has infinite gears. Wouldn't want to run out in front of that one. And the daddy of the Calibra, the Manta. Check out my Calibra project in the top right. Alright? TVR Club, I respect it. My dad owns one, so I'm one of the lads. Mark 1 Capri, like a tamer version of the Mustang. And this one is packing cosy power. Some of the new stuff looks cool, like this hybrid Lexus. And this Ford lot is serious. This one's been in the magazines, so fair play. BMW Z3 Coupe, clown shoe, rare thing. And the camera doesn't do the paint justice on these two. Flawless. Capri 280 Brooklands, another car my dad owned. I wish he never got rid. Just over 1,000 of these made. Clean Mustang. But let's not poke the bear, eh? More muscle for ya. This one I actually dreamt of owning the day after the show. Randomly, it came with a coffee and a Christmas tree. Yep, mad. I'd also like to own one of these one day. Honda S2000. This Noble still looks fresh. GTR. No other words needed. Look at the pride in these motors. And my uncle would love this. Pure class. An engine you could eat your dinner off. And a super plush interior. Perfect combo. Caterham gang, make some noise. This Pontiac GTO had the exterior, interior, colour match on point. Ice cold. Say cheese, mate. Yeah. And that's one big ass bumper. Oh snap, the old Bill's here. Nah, they're part of the show, so don't get paranoid. They ain't gonna pull ya. They got all the gear though. Serious. The Capri successor, the Probe, although it wasn't that successful. Hey, the Mark 1 Golf, come on. My first car was a tin top one of these. Brings back memories. An icon. And so's he. And then we got a trio of MX-5s to round it off. Well, I hope you enjoyed that little montage. Just a light-hearted look at some killer rides. We had good weather, good cars, good people, and good vibes. Anyway, I'll catch you on the next one. It's Things on Wheels.